All right, it's Chaotic Crypto. It's where we defy tyranny. I wanted to do a quick update. I don't have a whole lot to say, but I was looking at a few charts, and XRP is just really running. And I'm in a position. I'm kind of thinking, okay, well, what do I want to do? Do I want to take some profit? I entered around 38, 39 cents, and we're at 51 cents, and I'm up pretty good. But should I take profit? Honestly, I'm a low leverage, position. I'm not going to take profit unless we come up to the 70, 60, 65, 70 cents range. There's really just no point. But I'm sure we do eventually come back to this 44, 46 cents range, and then maybe I'll even add more of my position. That's just personally what I'm going to do. But looking at the daily chart, there's still room to go up. 4 hour is looking a little bit overextended, so maybe we cool off a little bit and find support on this Fibonacci, the 46 to 48 cent range. Just a little bit of a little bit of analysis that I'm looking at. It's going parabolic though. It's looking pretty aggressive on the parabola, but I don't really know what. It's probably going to cool off quite a bit. So just be ready for that. On the daily, yeah, I don't know. We'll just have to see. We'll have to see what it's going to do. What did I do? Did I just erase that whole thing? I don't know what happened just now. Well, anyways, that's that. Crypto Fear and Greed Index did retreat back to the 59 level. Today we are getting some recovery, though, and there's been a lot of crappy news. There's been more Binance FUD, and I'm kind of thinking that maybe this correction cool-off is about to end. Maybe it lasts the rest of this week, but I think we're off to the races in April. If I had to have a hunch, April, May could be pretty bullish, and it might really surpass everybody's expectations, and then summer cool-off. That's been kind of my thing. That's what happened last cycle in 2019. That's just what I'm sort of planning for. Zilliqa is kind of recovering, liking that, loving that. What else do we have? Graph. What is RPL? Rocket Pool. I don't know much about that one, but it was kind of like something lingering. It might be something worth looking at. I don't really know a lot about that. XRP is just really running, though. Holding strong. Flare token, which was an airdrop for XRP. I have a bunch of that on Celsius or something, and eventually maybe I get that back. I don't know. Kava. You can stake that out for 10% on a Atomic Wallet. Can't go wrong there. And please hit the likes, hit subscribe. Feel free to comment, please. Any suggestions? I would appreciate it. ICP. Bitboy loves that token. I think he just wants to make his money back, honestly. Graph. Algorand. Where's Algorand? There's all that good news yesterday. I don't really see it. Take a look at this one real quick. Yeah, 27,200. And again, we can still pull back to 24, 25K. So don't fret too much. Let's see what else we got here. Yeah. So, Matic. Matic's looking pretty good, 5%. Got ApeCoin, not a fan. Uni token, of course. XMR, which is Monero. Privacy token. Cardano. Yeah, a lot of my favorite tokens are really pumping, so that's great. Really great. Let's see what else we got going on here. Still consolidating. Open interest doesn't look too hot. The only thing is, Fear and Greed Index is pretty hot, and that's the one thing that kind of worries me, but that might continue on its uptrend for a while. Let's take a look at the long term. Yeah, I mean, we could still pull up on the Fear and Greed Index, so it's not like just because it hits 70 or 80 or something like that doesn't mean that we're going to pull back immediately. It could stay up there for a while. Let's take a look at Bitcoin real quick on the chart. And I want to jump off here. I'm not going to really be around much longer. Kind of been a day. So the daily is cooling off. I mean, that's a great sign. 4 hours starting to pull up. So we might start running up again with Bitcoin here in the next day or two. So hourly. Hourly wants to cool off, go down again. Weekly. Still strong on the weekly. Pulling back a little bit here. So I think the rest of this week might be pretty just sideways, chill, and then next week might be April Fool's and all of that. But what day is April Fool's? It's like Thursday or Friday. So maybe Thursday or Friday gets crazy. I'd prefer it cool off for another week, but we'll have to see about all of that. And also, I keep on mentioning Exodus Wallet and Atomic Wallet. You can download those on your cell phones. You can download it on the internet, off of your computer. I use both computer and my wallet and my phone apps, so pretty good with that. I've also heard that MetaMask might be having an airdrop along with ZK rollups, so something to keep an eye on. I remember hearing about MetaMask having an airdrop 2 years ago, and I was all stoked, and I did a bunch of transactions on Ethereum. Lost a lot of money on the transactions because there would be an airdrop. So that would be really awesome if that happened. So all you have to do basically is go on to MetaMask and trade with the MetaMask app. Maybe I'll start doing tutorials for that kind of a thing. But in the meantime, something you could research, just YouTube, that type of thing. Let's see. But yeah, that's it for me. I just wanted to do a thing on XRP. I think it's going to keep running, but it's gone pretty parabolic, so it'll probably pull back. I wouldn't try to go into long positions right now, but it is looking pretty juicy. XLM hasn't really run yet, so it probably will tail XRP. They're basically sort of the same technology, ISSO tokens. XDC is another one to check out, XDC network, and they're sort of like XRP as well. So a couple things to look past, look into. All right, though, we'll check back in tomorrow if we can, and if anything happens, I'll be in touch. I think a lot of the Binance stuff was FUD, and there's just a lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt being spread around the media. So just keep strong, hodl. All right, peace.